Across Latin America, sending money or trying to save is just slow, expensive, and confusing. Banks don't teach you healthy financial habits, but they are just trying to make you spend faster. Most young people never learn how to save or how to invest, and that's not a tech problem, it's a habit problem. That's why we built Gecko, a Web3 app that turns good financial habits into easy, rewarding experience. Gecko helps you learn, save, and invest with the power of blockchain, but without its complexity. Onboarding takes seconds thanks to the wallet starter kit, and here we leverage all the functions that AHA Labs gave us through Scaffold Seller.
Great, so now here's the demo of Gecko. You basically connect your wallet with the Stellar Wallet Kit. In this case, we decided to use Friter. When you log in, you will see this dashboard. Here you can invest in XLM or USDC. Now, we use blend pools to invest. So for instance, here you just click the amount and you click deposit. What this will do is basically put your money on a fixed pool in blend. In this case, we decided to choose XLM. So here you can see transactions successful and deposit successful. Great. So in send, you can basically send currencies to other wallets, and receive, you basically receive crypto tokens and collections from your to your wallet, sorry. When you go over to buy crypto, here you can use MoonPay to basically buy crypto with fiat. This is the best way to onboard Web2 users into Web3. Now, let's talk about envelopes. Envelopes is one of the ways so that you can create envelopes to for a trip. For instance, you can say trip to Europe. And what this will do is basically you can start saving money towards a goal and you can actually yield it. So let's say, for instance, you wanted to go to Europe the next year, you can basically start saving here towards your goal. Now, when you create the envelope, it's currently creating, you will see that it actually shows right below when you click the, well, obviously, when you sign the transaction, you can see that the trip to Europe has been successfully created. You can yield it, you can deposit, and you can also withdraw. Now, let's talk about one of the features that is important, AI. We basically use AI to help you make your financial habits better. So let's ask it to distribute 5,000 into two envelopes. In this case, it will ask us if it's 5,000 XLM or USDC. So we want to create two envelopes for jubilation and for emergency funds. So let's create it. The bot itself will create the envelopes. We do not depend on ourselves to click all the buttons. So we will just, the bot will confirm and it will create the envelopes for us with the amount we required and for the title that we needed. So the bot is creating the envelope. Here we also have to sign transactions. We're just not showcasing the process on the screen right now. Great. So now when we go over again to envelopes, you will see that we have two extra envelopes, the Fondo Emergencia, which is basically emergency fund, and Jubilation. So here we have 250 XLM yielding, and these are two funds created by the bot. And finally, also a really great feature that our app has is the rewards tab. Here, you can basically complete quests to earn exclusive NFTs. So basically, when you connect your wallet, you get an NFT. When you create your first envelope, send XLM, buy crypto using MoonPay, create more than three envelopes, etc. These are just basically ways to incentivize users to use our platform and get NFTs.